let's put our key in. Yeah, now see how nice and lit up they got it. The different colors that make you replace alternator. Alternator calls that? I have no idea, but that is cool. All right, and what we're gonna do? We'll shut the key off. So that is one, and that is a huge leak. What we're gonna do? We're gonna go out here and view. Now, if it stayed down to like it was before, that O-ring is worn. That'll trigger it. So what's got to be done now is a smoke test. This that code, man, just messed up. 1 and fuel system 2, and let's go down here to get that done properly to see fix any